Basically, I absolutely enjoy making garam masala powder or any spices powder at home because it gives me a satisfaction that it is chemical free, it's preservative free, and it's completely pure for consumption. For homemade garam masala powder, all you need is 1 teaspoon of black peppercorn, 1 tablespoon of green cardamom, 1/4 cup of cumin seed, that is JEERA, half cup of coriander seeds, 1 nutmeg, 1 small size nutmeg, 2 to 3 star anise, and 3 BADI ELACHI or black cardamom, 15 to 20 clove, APPROX, 1.5 inch of cinnamon stick, that is the Indian cinnamon stick, around 2 tablespoons of SHAHI JEERA, 5 to 6 bay leaf, and 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, that is soft. Also, please do check the description box below for the detailed ingredient and the process to follow. Please follow step by step as per the video so that the process takes minimum time and you don't overdo it or over roast it and it may turn bitter. Blend all the roasted garam masala spices in pulse mode. Cute little jar is easily available in the market. I have picked them from IKEA. You can just recycle them. I have recycled it for more than 3 to 4 years. and then just air dry it completely and put the garam masala into it. The garam masala powder can be, the homemade garam masala powder can be stored for 3 to 4 months. It lasts almost for 6 months also. So now let us see how much does it weigh exactly. It is around 215 grams, good for 3 months. Freshly grounded garam masala, or if you do not use it much, then good for 6 months too. Do check our description box below for the detailed recipe and the exact ratio. Thanks for watching my channel Dimples and Arabian Journey. If you like my videos, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Also do connect us on our Facebook page, Flora and Aroma. Thank you so much.